What's up, guys, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to be doing some thrift shopping today. Also, I'm going to show you an item that I sold last night. It was a pretty heavy hitter for me. I paid $5 for these Ralph Lauren surplus camouflage pants, and I sold them for $79.99 on eBay. That's with free shipping, so we have to take that into account. But I'm going to grab those pants. We're going to wrap them and get them ready to ship. And then I'm going to go over my spreadsheet and show you how I break everything down in order to maximize my money, show you what I pay myself, what I roll back into the business. This is a very good turnaround, and so I figured we would use some of those proceeds, some of those funds, to go out and get more product. This is going to be sort of a vlog style video, and so let's do that and get to it. I'm pretty excited about these pants selling. I had seen that they sold for other people recently, and I didn't know how long they would take to sell, but they sold pretty quick within a few days. Let me grab them out of the shed here. This is where I keep all of my, there we go, shoes stored. We've got books in here. And then in this box, we've got some stuff. Got the camouflage pants. I don't sell a lot of clothes. I do try to snatch those higher end items. What I do with these, basically, I listed them as free shipping because I want to be able to sell them quickly. Out of 80 bucks, you know, I'm going to spend maybe $7 or $8 on shipping, and I'm okay with that because I want that fast sale. So here they are, really good condition, really like stiff, as if they haven't been worn very much. Yeah, let's jump into the process of getting them ready to ship. All right, guys, you can see right here, the item that we sold today was the double RLs. We paid $5. That's right there. They sold for $79.99. This is our eBay fee. That's our PayPal fee. This is what we paid in shipping, $7.61. This was our gross profit, meaning everything after fees. This is my charitable giving. I make it a point to give charitably. So $8.91 is what I would give. And then whatever's left over, I split 50-50. And so you can see that I took that $5, and from that, I'm able to net profit $25 into my home, and then 25 bucks right back into the business to go buy more stuff. That's what we're about to do in just a minute. All right, guys, here we are at Goodwill, and we are sourcing. So my first tip for this would be, when you come to the Goodwill, to go to the racks of clothes that have just been brought out, or the bins of shoes that have just been brought out from the back. So that is where I'm going to go first. I'm really scoping out right now. Also check electronics, check toys. Yeah, shoes are my main interest, and so I already pulled one pair of shoes. As I was walking past, I kind of fly through the store real quick and see what I can find. I paid a pair of Asics for $5, and the soles look good. The insides look good. There's no rips or tears on them. Fairly decent. You know what? There's a little, that thing is coming unattached. I'll probably put these back. Not really feeling those. Don't want to get anything that has any kind of blemish or problem. But let's go check out the new clothes racks. All right, guys, so here's what we have so far. First off, I'm branching out into a new thing. But first, I went to the racks of new clothes that just got placed, and I found this. This is a ladies LL Bean fleece zip-up, $5, and I will get 25 to 30 for that. Then we have this men's Columbia Sportswear Company flannel shirt. Those are going for 20 plus shipping. And then I decided to branch out into something different that I've never shopped before, and that is scrub tops. I've heard that scrubs can be lucrative, and so I decided to check them out. All I did to find out what brands to search for is go to eBay, type in medical scrubs, and then search the sold listings, and then filter from most expensive to least expensive. Then start looking for listings that show individual items. I want individual items. I don't want bulk bundles. And so I found out this brand, Koi, I'll let that focus on there, Koi by Kathy Peterson, is very lucrative. These are selling for $20 to $25 a piece, plus shipping. I'm paying $4 for them. So I am at $20, I guess? Yeah, about 20 bucks right now for my budget, and I have 25 to spend. So I'm gonna keep going, try to find one more thing, but that's the update. You always wanna hit those racks first where they just brought out new stuff, so keep that in mind. All right, guys, here's the deal. Let's get this exposure right there. We go. Hey, here's the deal. Got 5 items. The winning item of the day, Nike Shox, right? They were $5.49 to begin with. My bill was over $20, and so I was able to use my 20% off stamp card, which was absolutely awesome because it brought my bill down to $19 and some change, $19.50 or something. So for 5 items, I paid less than $5 a piece, which is phenomenal. These are going on eBay right now and various platforms for 35 to 40 bucks plus shipping. And so I could probably price a little bit higher if I add my shipping into that and get that profit. So super pumped about this. 5 items. Those Koi scrub tops, clutch. I've never bought them before, but they sell really fast by the looks of it on eBay. I'm looking forward to getting home, ironing those, and getting them sold. I'm starting to really like selling tops, like shirts and that sort of thing, because they're so lightweight. You can add the shipping into the price of your item, offer free shipping, and then they cost next to nothing to ship. You can ship them first class, totally easy. So the goal is to get home today, get the stuff cleaned up, get it listed. Also have to finish this video and edit it. Anyways, let's close it down. Guys, thank you for watching this. I hope it was helpful. Listen, if you're new, if you're a kid or a teenager or a beginner, whatever the case may be, and you want to start making money, the internet's the best place to be. You can make more money, you can make it faster, you can make it in greater quantities than anywhere else. It beats working at McDonald's. Nothing against that, nothing wrong with working at McDonald's, but listen, making money online is the best. My particular Goodwill here tends to be overpriced, and so it takes a little bit of digging. I think I was in there about an hour, maybe less than an hour. Take some digging, take some work, take some research while you're in there, but as long as you have a smartphone with an internet connection or data, you're gold. Like, get out and get that money. Listen, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you like this kind of content, then yeah, subscribe. And then I will see you guys on the next video.